Hello, friends. Hello, children. Are you ready for day 4? So, I am Manju Gupta from India. I am a Hindi teacher for beginners. Welcome to Learn Hindi Daily. Every day, we learn 5 new Hindi words that help you speak Hindi naturally. Today's words are easy, useful, and perfect for beginners. So, grab your notebooks, repeat the words with me, and let's get started. Namaste and happy learning. Today, we will learn 5 new fruits words. Okay. Day 3, daily 5 Hindi words with Manju Gupta. So are you ready to learn today 5 new fruits words? Okay. This video is for Hindi beginners and this is a fun and easy learning. You will enjoy. Yes. Oh my god. These are the many fruits. Many fruits. I saw banana, apple, grapes, orange, strawberry, and mango also. Oh, name of fruits. Today we will learn name of fruits. What we will learn? Name of fruits. फलों के नाम. फलों के नाम. फलों के नाम. फलों के नाम. Okay, we learn today fruits name. So accordingly, we'll do this work like previously. First, I will repeat 2 times of words. Then you will repeat after me. Okay. Oh, orange. Orange. See, this is a orange. Orange. Santara. Repeat. Santara. Repeat. Santara. 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 Next word we'll see. Oh, banana. Happy banana. Wow. Banana. Banana. Kela. Repeat after me. Kela. 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 Next word we'll see. Oh, apple is dancing. Are you interested to eat apple? Yes? Wow. Apple. Apple. Save. Repeat after me. Save. Save. Repeat after me. Save. Save. Very good. Well done. Next word is mango. Mango. You like mango, na? I also like mango. Mango. Arm. What we called? Arm. Repeat after me. Arm. Repeat after me. Arm. 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 Next we'll see. Oh, many happy faces. Bunch of grapes. Wow. I like it. Grapes. Grapes. Angur. Repeat. Angur. Repeat. Angur. Angur. Repeat. Angur. Well done. So today's words recap. First word is fal. 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 Fruits. Next, Santara, orange. Santara, orange. Kela, banana. Kela, banana. Seb, apple. Seb, apple. Aam, mango. Aam, mango. Angur, grapes. Angur, grapes. Now the time for the question. Are you ready for the question? Okay. What we call apple in Hindi? Three options in front of you. Seb, aam, santara. Please repeat what we call apple in Hindi. Seb, aam, santara. Can you answer? What is in Hindi? Okay. Give the answer in my chat box. Okay. Apple, seb, aam, mango, and santara. Now you match. This is wow. This is this and this is this. Okay. How you like my video? Please give me answer yes or no in chat box. Wonderful. Great job. Great job. Subscribe for 5 day 5. Learn Hindi every day. We'll meet tomorrow for new video, new words. Okay, bye.